Hey guys, quick video on these King Bolin S6 Elite. Uh, there's a slight firmware issue with them, which is not a big deal. We're gonna basically show you how to fix it. Now, these devices do not function on 5G router. So when you do 5G, these go into a reboot, like they start cycling. And for some reason it just can't handle the 5G routers, and this is gonna go into a reboot mode and just gonna keep booting up. It's just gonna keep going in a loop. So now it keeps gonna keep doing it. But I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this. It's super simple. Disconnect your router. Once the unit doesn't connect to the router, your internet, it's gonna stop boot. It's gonna stop going into a loop. Connect it to your phone's hotspot or connect it to a 2.4 gigahertz setting, and that will fix the problem.